Hello, in this video we're going to be learning the triple crochet stitch. If you watched our other beginner crochet stitch tutorials, you're probably going to find this very similar to the double crochet stitch. Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. My name is Joanna and I've been crocheting for almost 40 years. To be honest, I don't use this stitch very often. However, it does have its purposes and one of them is in an upcoming video, so I wanted to share it with you before that comes out. So in this video, we're going to cover how to do a triple crochet stitch working from a chain and how to do a triple crochet stitch on a row of triple crocheted stitches. I'm going to be working from a chain of 15. I'm starting with a slip knot and then I'm crocheting the chain of 15. I've covered how to make a chain in a previous video, so if you need to start there, I'll put a link to it below. We're done the chain, so now before you start a new row of triple crochets, you're going to add 3 more chains. These 3 chains are not going to count as stitches. They're going to serve as the first post in the next row. Watch and you'll see what I mean. Your first triple crochet stitch is going to start in the 15th chain, which is now going to look like the 4th chain from the end. You're going to yarn over twice and then insert your hook into the 4th chain from the end. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the stitch. This is going to give you 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull your yarn through 2 of those loops. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 of those loops. And you should now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over again and pull your yarn through the last 2 hoops, and that is a triple crochet. I'll do a few more so you can get the hang of it. Yarn over twice and then insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the stitch. This will give you 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull your yarn through 2 of those loops, and you should now have 3 loops left on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 of those loops, and now you should have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over again and pull your yarn through the last 2 loops. I'll take it to the end of the line so we can see how to start a new row. It tends to want to curl and get in your way, but you can just curl it back. When you come to the end of your row, you're going to do your last stitch normally. Then you're going to chain 3. Remember, this is going to act as the first triple crochet of the row. Turn your piece and proceed to triple crochet in the next stitch. When doing the triple crochet stitch on top of a row of triple crocheted stitches, you're going to insert your hook through both the front and the back of the stitch underneath. And that concludes our lesson in triple crochet. Make sure to practice this throughout the next week, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can find us again. We've got lots of new projects coming up, and I don't want you to miss a single one. See you soon.